Want to learn which kitchen cabinets give you the best returns? Keep watching. Kitchen renovations are notorious for breaking the bank, but they don't have to, especially if you're well informed. Hi guys, Nick Casamassimo here. We are in my kitchen and my wife and I did a recent kitchen renovation. In this video, I wanted to go over the importance of cabinetry and how cabinetry can bring massive returns when it's time to sell your home. When it comes to renovating your kitchen and cabinets, you want to focus on three main things: cabinet space, color of cabinets, and style of cabinets. First and most practical is cabinet space. So I'm going to break it down to you. So if you're deciding to sell your home in 3 months' time or 10 years' time, when a buyer first lays eyes on your kitchen, when it comes to your cabinets, they're thinking, can I put all my pots, pans, knickknacks, pantry items away? If they can't, then guess what? They're either going on to the next home or they're just slapping a huge price reduction on your home. So here are some tips and tricks that my wife and I did when renovating our kitchen, because our kitchen is a standard 9x9, which is not a very big kitchen. First thing we did was, instead of a 36-inch cabinet, we went all the way up to 42 inches. By doing that, you actually gain 20% more on your upper cabinet space, which is huge, and you also stretch the space upward, so it makes your kitchen feel even bigger, which is a great thing for potential buyers. We also replaced the dead space corners, we have 2 of them, with Lazy Susans. And that brings you, I can't tell you how many big pasta pots we put in there, large pans, and it fits perfectly and it's great. We don't have to store anything in our garage. And lastly, we actually added a pantry. Even though it's a smaller pantry, it makes a huge difference. And any buyer that comes in and sees a kitchen without a pantry is gonna balk at putting an offer in on that property. All right, the second thing you need to pay attention to is the color of your cabinets. We chose a white because it's light, bright, it's neutral, appeals to most buyers, and it doesn't go with extreme trends. The other thing I would really focus when it comes to color is go with wood. Wood is such a flexible material because you can paint it, you can stain it. You know, in 5 years' time, if a particular color, like, you know, about 10 years ago, dark woods were really in. Now they're kind of a little bit going out of style. Well, guess what? You can always sand them down and paint them a lighter color, and as long as they're in good shape, you're good to go. Just make sure that the kitchen cabinets match everything else in the kitchen and also in your home. Last thing you should focus on when it comes to kitchen cabinets is style. So my recommendation is the same as choosing a countertop, and that is, don't go too trendy. Don't go to the extremes. We actually chose a shaker cabinet, and the reason being is it is traditional because it's kind of wood, but it has clean lines. So it's just a touch of modern, which really appeals to a lot of different buyers. And there you have it. Don't underestimate the power and beauty of kitchen cabinets. If done correctly, you will be able to showcase your kitchen, which in turn will attract a lot of buyers when it's time to sell. And that means higher returns on your investment. Don't believe me? Well, I have before and afters of my kitchen, and I'll let the numbers speak for themselves. Okay, that's my time. I wish you all good health and a happy home. Take care.
If you got something out of the video, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell. Also go to CasaAught.com. Our site and channel together will give you original content and you'll learn the important stuff in real estate, even tips and tricks many agents don't want you to know. Thanks again, and take care.